In this video, you'll learn how to use a Bitget coupon code effectively. By following this guide, you will be able to navigate the Bitget platform and apply your coupon to maximize your trading experience. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Bitget exchange. You can do this by typing Bitget into your search engine or directly entering the URL into the address bar. Wait for the site to load completely, which may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Ensure you have a stable connection to avoid interruptions during this process. Once the Bitget homepage appears, locate the profile icon, which is typically situated in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. After clicking, a selection of options will be displayed, and you should look for the settings option within this menu. After selecting settings, you will be redirected to a new page where various settings can be adjusted. Here, find and click on the Coupon Center option, which allows you to manage your coupons and promotional codes. This section is crucial for utilizing your coupon effectively. Next, you will see two main tabs, vouchers and tasks. Click on the vouchers link to your available vouchers linked to your account. This area will show you the details of your coupons and any other promotional offers that you can apply to your trades. After reviewing the vouchers, switch to the tasks tab. This will present you with a list of tasks that you can complete to earn rewards. Scroll through the tasks and find the one that states complete your first trade. Click on this task to proceed. The next step involves following the instructions to make your first trade. Click on the prompt that indicates you need to make a spot or futures trade of at least 30 USDT. Completing this trade will qualify you for a bonus of 60 USDT in futures position boost vouchers, which will be distributed within 5 working days. Ensure to complete identity verification if prompted. This step is essential for compliance and may be required to access all features of the platform. After verification is complete, return to the Tasks section and click on Task Rewards to claim any rewards associated with your completed tasks. You can also click on Task Description to review the details of your completed tasks and any rewards you have earned. This area provides confirmation of your progress and any additional steps necessary to claim your coupons. Finally, make sure to complete the tasks necessary to use your coupons and claim your rewards. This may include following through with additional trades or fulfilling specific conditions outlined in the tasks. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding your rewards and voucher distribution. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.